into its location. Now we've already moved it all the way from over here. I'll show you over here. So we've already moved it all the way from the street down this tight alley. It was pretty difficult, but then now we are gonna level this. So I want to just show you how to do that. Here, yes, sir. You hold that one, you got this one. Do it all at the same time. Okay. All right, so we have the chalk lines over here, right? So before bringing the shed to this location, we installed some concrete pylons in the ground, or posts, and they're 42 inches down. And right now we're trying to center the shed so that those concrete posts hit this I-beam correctly. So the easiest way to do that is to take a chalk line, kind of hold it like this, and here I'll show you how to do it. So get this kind of close to the ground. And see how that, I'm on the center of the beam. And we actually didn't check this yet, but look how close we are.
Lucky.
We're getting better at putting these sheds in, that's for sure. But that's how you would find that. You use your chalk line as a plumb bob. I'm gonna check it. Over here, check the square. So right here tells me that the back of this trailer needs to go that way. So the easiest way to do this would be to use what we have, some wheel roller dollies, and we'll jack the axles up, and then we'll put a piece of plywood this way, and we'll put the roller dollies, which have 4 wheels on it. Do we have those?
Yes.
Let's grab those. And then we'll put that underneath the tire on both sides, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this thing. So
3/4 pliable.
so we'll let this run. If you're watching this after we go live, you're just gonna want to probably fast forward a little bit, but for those of you who want to see all the action, just stay right where you are, and we're gonna get to it right now. So let's go get our stuff and make it happen.